Think about your worst habit. Now think about the lie you tell yourself right before you give in. Life is short. I deserve a treat. Just one won't hurt. Sound familiar? But let's be honest. Are those habits actually making you happier or just keeping you stuck? Today we're cutting through the excuses. Welcome to the Quick Start Guide to Quitting a Bad Habit. Productivity expert Leo Babauta used to be deeply in debt, sedentary, and a heavy smoker. He turned his entire life around using a simple framework, and it starts with step 1. Finding your deeper why. Getting healthy isn't a strong enough reason. Your why needs to be bulletproof. For Leo, it was knowing that if he didn't stop smoking, his kids might grow up to be smokers too. Find your ultimate reason and write it down. Then, commit publicly. Set a quit date 3 to 7 days from now and tell your friends, family, or social media. Accountability makes it real. Step 2 is understanding your triggers. Bad habits don't happen by accident, they fill a need. Maybe you smoke when you're stressed or eat junk food when you feel lonely. Spend 2 days writing down exactly what happens right before your cravings hit. Once you know the trigger, you can find a healthy replacement. If stress triggers a bad habit, swap it for a 2-minute walk or a quick meditation. You don't just eliminate a habit, you replace it. Step 3, survive the urges. You will get cravings. Don't fight them, just delay. Breathe, drink some water, wait 10 minutes. The wave will pass. Adopt the NOPE rule, not one puff ever. Don't rationalize just one. And if you do mess up, forgive yourself immediately. A slip-up isn't a failure, it's data. Figure out what went wrong, update your plan, and keep moving forward. Quitting isn't about punishing yourself, it's the ultimate form of self-love. You don't need to harm yourself to find comfort. You are worth the effort, and you've got this. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop your why in the comments below.